Good morning. How are you doing? This is a requested video. In this video I'll be sharing how I make baked chicken. Now I have my chicken here. I'm using some drumstick and some wings. What I did, I washed the chicken with lemon and salt, and after I just take the paper towel and I dry it. These are the ingredients I'll be using. You can use whatever seasoning that you like, that you usually use. Here I have a mixture of rosemary, Italian seasoning, oregano, and I use some allspice, and I have some salt in here. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna put it in there. Here I have some homemade green seasoning. So I'm just going to put it in here. Oh, and here I have some. Okay, so here I have garlic powder. And here I have some thyme, a little bit of hot pepper, and garlic and onion. So just put it on there like that. My hand is clean. I'm just going to use my hand and I'm just going to rub this seasoning just like that. Make sure that all the chicken is coated. All of the chicken is all seasoned. The seasoning is on all of it. Okay, so this right here. Oh, that garlic powder smells so strong. I was watching a video by the lady who make garlic powder, and she grate the garlic and put it in the sun and put it to dry, and then she blended it. I'm like, oh wow, I was so impressed. So I said, let me try it. But the thing is, it is cold here. So what I did, I grate the garlic, put it in the oven, and I let it bake, and then I blend it. It's very strong. Anyhow, so my chicken is all seasoned. This is it. So I'm just gonna put a lid on it, and I'm just gonna let it rest for a couple of hours. Okay guys, this is step 2. Here is the chicken. It rested for a couple of hours. So now I'm gonna put it in my baking dish. In my baking dish, I grease it with some oil, some vegetable oil. I grease it. Yep. Now I'm just gonna take these. I'm just gonna put them in here, just like this. Now what we do is that we will season the chicken and leave it in the fridge for like overnight, even a couple of days. But it is okay whether you leave it overnight or you season it up just the way I did it and just let it rest for a couple of hours. That's okay. Alright, so just spread it like this, just like this. Now this is optional. Whenever I am cooking with meat, chicken, beef, fish, I always use a lemon. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to squeeze this half of lemon over my chicken. Just like that. Okay, so this is going to go in the oven to bake. I have like a tablespoon of water. I'm just going to put a little bit of water. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons, just like this. Put it right there, just like this. You can see it's not much water in there. It's just 2 tablespoons of water. So this is going to go in the oven. And I'll be back with step 3. I'll show you along as I go along. I will show the progress. So this, I'm just going to put it like this and cover. I'm not going to cover it in the oven to bake. See you in a bit. Okay, I want to show you how it looks. It's just a couple of minutes since I put it in. Let me check, see what time it is. Okay, so it's like 20 minutes since I put it in. And you see I didn't add, I just add like 2 tablespoons of water to it. Can you see? And you see it is slowly, look, it is slowly springing its own water. So this water is what's gonna bake it, and it's gonna spring more water too. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it alone, and I'm just gonna let it bake. Okay, step back. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Okay guys, look at it. You guys see how it look? So this is how it look. And remember that we didn't put any, we just put like 2 tablespoons of water in it. At this point, what I like to do is to take it and try and take up the liquid and spoon it over the chicken. Let me bring this down here. Can you hold this in? Okay, so this is what I like to do here. So take it up like that and just spoon some of this over it like this, just like this. Okay, so I just take it out of the oven. As you can see, it is getting there. It's almost there, but not there yet. So at this point, let me take this out, because this can't do anything else. You see, look at it. It don't do it work already. Let me just take it out. Yeah. This can stay some more. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do. Here I have some barbecue sauce. Because these are almost finished, I'm just gonna base it. If you want, you can just bake it like that and don't put anything on it, but this is what we do. This is barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna put some in here, just like this. And this is ketchup. So squeeze just a little bit of ketchup, just like that. That looks like 1 tablespoon. Now I am going to put just 1 tablespoon of water in here, and I am mixing it like this, just like this. Okay, just mix it like this. Now what you want to do now is that you just, here's my brush. Yeah, just want to take a brush and you just want to like kind of base it like this. You're gonna spread it out like this. When you mix the barbecue sauce and the ketchup, you don't mix it too thick, okay? Just like this. Now you're just gonna brush the chicken just like this. And after you finish brushing the chicken like this, you put it back in the oven. I take it out again, flip it over, brush this side, and in the oven it goes again. This is the end. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.